What good with it? Today we got an unboxing on the new Air Jordan 1 High OG Brotherhood guy. Let's get into it.
Hey, I took the ball and I ran with it. Hey, literally. Oh God. I was a running back in high school. Literally. Niggas be kicking in for them jewels. Literally. Crew through the city riding with a tool. Literally. Silly me.
Okay, so first we gonna talk about how I actually acquired these sneakers.
That's just fancy talk.
Man, I had a little bit of good fortune last week or whatever. I think both of these shoes came, I don't know. But I hit on the Marina Blues and then I hit on these Brotherhood joints on the sneakers app. So I might pop a picture up like here or something like that. But man, let's go ahead and hop into the box. The UPS just dropped the guy off at my front door. So I figured I'd open them up with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Big squad. Ripsy. And you know we reusing this box to ship out there, yeah. I smell it already. I ain't even opened the box. Oh my goodness. Oh, that intoxicating Jordan 1 smell. Bam! You know, yeah, now. Let's see what we working with. Let me see. I ain't seen them at all. I just ripped the junk off. I wanted to give y'all my whole real authentic first reaction to this. The paper is still, you know what I'm saying, on that guy. So we open them up together. This ain't no cap right here. But that smell, I don't know why I love this smell so much. Ooh. My bad, y'all. My bad. I'm gonna show y'all shit. I know it kind of looked super bright on camera, but well, actually it looked hold on. It's a little bright. It's a little bright on camera. I'm gonna turn that mud down a little bit. Well, that's actually a better picture anyway. Yeah, this is dang near how they look in person, y'all. Hold on, let me focus y'all up on these. This is dang near how they look in person. Like the way y'all seeing it on camera is just about how it looks in person. This purple is like super matted out. It's really like a flat finisher. For all my fellow customizers, you know if you know, yeah, nah. But yeah, this junk like a flat finish right here. This ain't even matte right here. It's super matte. But I ain't gonna lie. Duck Walker University.
I can handle things. I'm smart. Not like everybody says. Like dumb, I'm smart.
You know, yeah, I'm the dean. But yeah, hold on, let me go through all the YouTuber quality and all that kind of stuff for y'all. The leather is soft on here. Especially like the toe. Like the toe part. Let me get it out of my face. But yeah, the toe part is super, I ain't gonna say super soft, but they're just soft. And then these side panels are pretty soft too. The purple parts, they really ain't that soft, but it ain't bad. It's like regular, you know what I'm saying? It's like on some standard shoe leather, you know what I mean? It's not soft. It's actually not soft at all. But it ain't bad though, you know what I'm saying? The yellow part is just that junk kind of soft. Up here is pretty decent. And yeah, I feel like these gonna be comfortable on foot. I don't feel like I'm gonna have no problem wearing these at all. Oh my goodness, this smell. Yeah, I'm really feeling these. I ain't gonna lie. I was happy when I hit on the Marina Blues because I know I can wear that shoe a lot. But I was more excited about these because, as y'all know, you know what I'm saying, if you watch my channel at all, you know I customize shoes and all that, and I just love loud colors, and I love, you know what I'm saying, colors that pop and go bow. You feel me? So I definitely, when I saw these, like the first, what that was like leaked pictures last year or something like that. I was like, yeah, I gotta get them. I want to get them. And I was so glad that it wasn't like a crazy release, you know what I'm saying, where everybody wanted these and nothing like that. That's why I go after the shoes the most. When it's like a release that ain't nobody really like just like going crazy for, them the ones I like because I know people not gonna be wearing this shoe. But yeah, man, I'm feeling these a lot, and I like the inside on too. You know what I'm saying? They got that little gold on the inside with the purple Nike Air and that thing. And then I've been seeing like folks talk about this the sock liner and stuff like that. The sock liner is definitely different. It's different from any shoe that I can remember me having, for real. I guess it is like, it's like a beach towel type of feel to it. You know what I'm saying? So I guess for y'all sweaty feet people, you know what I'm saying, that's cool because it's gonna soak up all the sweat. You know what I'm saying? And then the laces, I'm very happy about the laces because y'all know, like I said, I customize shoes and everything. So sometimes you gotta be needing extra laces. Like these laces, actually, I got a pair. Hold on, I'll be right back. Y'all, I just left about my little shoe room or whatever, and I came back. The whole room is smelling like the ones right now. But like I was saying, like with these, and I know I don't care. I'll rock them all. I don't care, bro. I like the mids too. I actually just had these on. But like these laces right here, I feel like they can hit in with these and stuff like that. Cause I actually ordered some yellow laces, but they never came. For some reason, Memphis UPS be slow a lot, so yeah, they hit me with that mess and my stuff never came in. But yeah, I really like that about these. That's one of the perks of having I guess the OG highs and stuff like that. You know, they come with different laces. A lot of the times they come with different laces. So that's cool. I appreciate that. If I'm spending, you know, 181 after tax on some shoes, you know what I'm saying, throw me a little something extra, you feel me? I mean, even though that's not a crazy amount on shoes, but I mean, cause I ain't gonna say it.
I you up in my price. I you up in my price. I you up in my price. I you up in my price.
I ain't gonna say it, but yeah, I like the laces. Now that I have them in hand, like when I was looking at pictures and other people's videos and stuff like that, I was like, I'm definitely throwing the white laces in them, guys. But now that I got them in hand, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, they really, alright, I'm gonna say they look cleaner. Like with the white laces, I feel like they're gonna look super clean. But with the yellow junks in there, I feel like they're going crazy. But I also feel like everybody gonna put the yellow junks in there. You feel what I'm saying? So I don't know, cause that's one of the reasons like I put the white shoestrings, well, the cream shoestrings in my the Jordan 1 Crafts. It just was a cleaner look, you know what I'm saying? And it flowed better. I like the black, but it was kind of just like, it was you know what I'm saying? So I threw the white guys up in there. But this, oh my goodness. All in all, this is a fire shoe to me, man. This fire. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these insoles in. I know I'm gonna rock these on one of my vacations. I got to. Y'all gonna see these. I'm a duck walking these guys. Yes sir. Y'all gonna see that picture on Instagram later on in the year when I hit up one of my little vacations or whatever. Y'all gonna see these. I'm gonna break these out, man. I still ain't broke out my my Shadow 2.0s, but it's all good. Like it got a little glue stain on there again. Hold on. Y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see it, but I don't like that, Nike. I don't like that. Don't do me dirty, alright? I love you. Love me back, you feel me? But all in all, man, like I said, man, these jumps hard, they crazy. I'm happy I got them for retail, because y'all know I don't pay resale. The only time I'm probably gonna play resale is like once the channel get crazy and you know what I'm saying, we really get into this chicken about on some YouTube type stuff. I'll probably start buying up like all the Kobe's that I wanted, you know what I'm saying, growing up and stuff like that, like them Grinches. But I know they still gonna keep on climbing in prices just the more life goes on. So eventually I might start paying resale for shoes, but I'm probably not. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man, I'm cheap. And I'm gonna stay that way. I'm making more money than I ever made and I'm still cheap. So it's just in me, man. I'm sorry. But make sure you like the video and subscribe. Join the squad, you hear me? I'm out.